guys, so today I'm going to be doing my makeup with one brush. This is the e.l.f. Beautifully Precise Precision Airbrush Blender. Whew. It looks like this. I haven't even opened it or anything. I'm just about to take it out of the package. So it says this tightly bound angled brush is designed to fit the contours of the face to apply liquids, creams, or powders for sheer to full coverage. So we're going to try it for all of those things. I was just in Walmart the other day and I was thinking how I had to come home and wash my makeup brushes, and I was kind of upset because I really hate washing my brushes. And I was like, you know, what if I could just do everything with one brush? So this is the one brush. It was, I think, $10. It's really pretty, so I hope I don't ruin it. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows and put my contacts in, and we're gonna get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm just going to dot this on. It's a huge bug outside my window. Okay, so soft. Look how nice that looks. I'm about to destroy it. This is actually so nice. It's soft and oh my goodness, I like this brush. Okay, so I want to use the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, but I don't know, the first two times I've used it, it just has not worked out for me. Just gonna put some there, some right there, and some up there. Okay. Also, the reason I'm not wearing my wig today is because sometimes the lace interferes with my hairline and I wanted full access to my face today, so especially for makeup. There's also a mirror right behind the camera, so that's why I'm looking there. I'm not looking at the camera. It's nice. Honestly, I feel like the shade was off, but it works, you know. This is also the shade D80, if you can see that. Yeah, it's a really nice formula, and it helps with oil control, so I'm not concerned about that. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Espresso. In comparison to blending out with a sponge, it takes longer with a brush, but I think in the end it kind of looks nicer. I can't really get in the corner of my eyes. I'm gonna squeeze this down and kind of just, this is fine. This is all fine. This is actually not looking that bad considering. I feel like it's not that bad. It's not. It's pretty good. I like this brush a lot actually. I swear this is the only concealer I found that's darker than my skin tone, which is sad. I mean affordable, because this was $8. But I also use the, and I don't have it on me right now, I don't know where it is because I lost it, the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. So if you can see, there's kind of a flat end and then it kind of tapers off, so I feel like a contour brush is more that. I don't know. I'm gonna squeeze it again like this and see how it goes. I'm scared. Oh, it's not that bad. That's a good blend, I feel like. Wow. Okay. This turned out better than I expected. I thought it was gonna be a mess. Okay, so we're gonna take the Mercier translucent powder in medium. The powder's like, it's like patchy, but I don't know. It's like not okay. I feel like the powder kind of got stuck in there, and you know what? Let's just not do that. Let's not. Take the Becca Deep Bronze Multitasking Perfecting Powder. Mine actually broke, but you know what? Here we go. Oh, should I do this? Should I do this? Yeah. Just take a little and like put it on top of the contour. Honestly, obviously I would usually use another brush for this, so I just feel like a lot of the colors are like blending together where they shouldn't. But I did this to myself, so. Here's the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in Berry and the MAC Sheer Tone Shimmer Blush in Ambering Rose. That's those two. I guess it's kind of weird to put powder on top of, like on the brush, it's kind of weird to put powder on top of cream and like foundation, but it's fine. It's fine. And then we're gonna go with the MAC. This is going well. This is cute. Okay. Now I have foundation, concealer, powder, blush, everything on here. Ooh. Alright, dare I say I want to try to use a liquid highlight. You know what? I'm gonna use this Anastasia powder bronzer, which is actually like my skin tone. I'm just gonna try and blend on top of everything with that, because I don't want it to be like okay. Alright, so I'm gonna take the Maybelline Strobing liquid. We're just gonna dot 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 dot, okay, right there, and blend. Okay. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. And on top of that, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in Moscow Mule. Obviously, I used this way too much, but it's fine. Put that on top. And like, okay, obviously it's not like all perfectly blended, but what are you going to do? Because we got one brush. I feel like things are fading, especially the contour line. You can't really see that as much. What do you expect? Everything else turned out pretty well. I'm gonna do my eyes and then come back on. Lashes. I'm gonna use the I don't know, I think I got these at the beauty supply store. It's the INV Iconic collection, lash in O2. So I did my eyeliner and then I realized I couldn't use a concealer brush to fix it, so I don't even think you could see this eye. It's just, oh man. Okay, anyway, this has an applicator, so I'm going to use this for, let's put on some lip gloss. You can't really have too much lip gloss. I have to do something about this hair. Okay. Honestly, okay. I think that this didn't do too badly considering the number of products that I put on it and the amount of buildup that it got. Like, you can see that there's like so much product like seeped into there. But it still came to work and did its job, so I'm impressed, honestly. This is again the e.l.f. Its number is 103. I don't know how good my camera is, so I don't know if you can see that, but it's cute. She's cute. So I think good job. This went better than I expected, and yeah, that's it. Until next time.